Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable clean along floor direction in Roborock S8. To do this, we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, move to the floor cleaning settings. There's clean along floor direction that you can activate or deactivate. You can then also switch different floor type like tile, floor horizontal, floor vertical, or a default. But you also need to have rooms mapped. In this case I don't have it, so then you will see your map and you can adjust where's the tiles, where's the floor, where's the vertical one and the default one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.